aunties us.
And guess what I saw?
One yellow cheeky dog sleeping on the floor! But not for long. But who was coming? You say I walked the sleepy dog. Guess what I saw? Two red cheeky dogs. Chasing a Samson swimming on a pig, a crocodile, a turtle, a dog, a cheeky dog, and a reindeer. When does they go to the police station? Guess what I saw? Three blue cheeky dogs. Be careful, cheeky dog. That guy get you and get you. I'm walking to the school. Get what I saw! What green cheeky dog? Running cheeky dog. Awesome. Father, I went to the clinic. And guess what I saw? Guess what I saw? 5 orange cheeky dogs, each with a short paw. Yeah. Orange dogs had them paws. I don't know. On Saturday, I walked to the football. Guess what I saw? 6 purple cheeky dogs trying to scruff. Wait, little cheeky dog. Here is. On Sunday, I walked down on the main street. Guess what I saw? 7 pink cheeky dogs stealing food at the store. Who's eating too much junk food? Yesterday, I walked to Grandpa's house. Got to the store. I bought a black and brown cheeky dogs fighting unicorns.
Look at cheeky dog. Grandpa will play with the hose.
Today, I'm going to walk home. Guess what I see? Too many cheeky dogs chasing after me.